Good morning, good morning. Not financial advice, just for entertainment. Don't blame me for your poor choices. This is this is dumb. This is dumb not because of what Slick IG is posting here. It's dumb because I'm considering trading it. I have no idea what he's saying is true. I'm assuming it's a he. Um, True or not. But he's got a bunch of people to go and trade this with him. He thinks that Etsy's gonna go bad today. And with the FMOC, that will be happening later today. The minutes, going over the minutes, the market kind of being brought down by Nvidia and stuff like that. Oh God, Nvidia's after hours. The whole market just could be in a bad mood. So there's a chance. If we look here, I don't really use this a lot, but I know that, options imply certain movements. It's saying that option market has overestimated the Etsy stocks moves 33% of the time. So I guess it's saying 33% of the time the options market overestimates the move. The predicted move after earnings is about plus 11%, where the actual is actually plus 11. So an 11% move on Etsy is going to be, I don't know, call it $7, $8, right? So $7 from here means that it'll break below 70 or it'll push above 83. Um, all and just going with the idea that if you had to choose, it's probably more likely to be bad than to be good, or just because of all the other dynamics going on. And I respect the fact that he listed his positions. He bought 47 contracts at 64p expiring Friday, which is a little outside the plus or minus 10% range. But he, once again, assuming Slick IG here, thinks it's going to be really bad. And so this is a dying company worse than PayPal and Snap combined, which is a big statement considering how bad PayPal and Snap are. Now, I'm not seeking Valhalla like some of those other posters were putting in that thread about going for it all, like Pedal to Metal 1, Valhalla. But I am curious, and in the time that I've been looking around, okay, it moved again. It's moving around, 64. Um, that would be that'd be quite the yellow. A big bet is sort of like all or nothing. If it works out, it's going to pay huge, right? It'll pay big if it works. If not, it's just it'll just go and disappear, right? But for that same $40 or so, right? 40, jeez, Louise is bouncing around. I could get into more of a possible winning situation where the the directional bet is right, meaning that, okay, yes, Etsy eats crap, but doesn't eat as much crap as um, as uh, the guy who I forgot his name already, something IG bets. So for that $40, um, I could maybe go. Okay, it's actually 50 wide, but I could go, 70, 68, maybe pay $45 for that. But that's only like it's around the 10% move. And so with the spread, I'm basically gonna lock it 68 to 70. It's a kind of a tight range, I get it, but small PP trader here. Um, and so if it gets in that range, you get paid. Having a spread helps with the IV crush that's going to happen later on today. Um, and so that might be something I'm going to consider. The issue being here, though, is that the spreads are kind of big. Not big, but so I'd pay 142 to buy that. If I want to get a sale, an easy sale, I'd have to sell it at 93. So basically it'd be 50 bucks. If I just want easy. If I want easy, easy numbers mean you pay the max price to buy it, and you sell the other option for the cheapest in order to know to get out. You could pick a lower price, and you just wait until it gets filled, or it never gets filled, right? Because the bid ask spreads are kind of well, okay, now it got better. It's 2 cents wide here. What the? It's now 5 cents wide here. I don't understand why it's moving so much. Um, or the other option is just to go a single and just bet, right? Just bet a single, um, and just hope for something big to happen. But I don't know, 40 bucks to me is still 40 bucks. It's like, it's just not, not that, I mean, I get it. Scared money doesn't make money, whatever, all that stuff that people say on Wall Street bets. But if you want to be a smart investor, and I'm not saying I'm smart. Oh God, I'm not saying I'm smart. It's just that you want to keep trading. You want to have a long trading career. You want to be in the game for a while. You don't want to throw away money all the time because eventually you run out of money. Yes, if he hits big, it'll be big and he'll feel like he's amazing, and then he'll go and keep betting. If he continues to do the Wall Street bets thing, he'll lose it at some point. And it doesn't seem very exciting down the road. So I'm looking for a single here or a double. Or better yet, just don't bet it, right? Better yet, just to wait till after the news and then play a direction once the IV's worn off, once you have the earnings, right? Sometimes good companies will have a bad quarter, but it'll recover, which is kind of been my style lately. I've been buying stocks that I think are good companies or at least not Etsy level crap, and then um, expect that the market overreacts, pick it up cheap, and you just have some patience. So I'm not quite sure what I would do, but if I were to go and do this and I wanted to play more small PP and have a better chance of it working out, I would go more 68p. Wait, no, take about 70, right? 70, buy the 70 February 23rd put, sell the 68, and let's see how much that would cost. So it's pricing right now around 47. And you can see max profits 150 something or whatever, because it's the difference between the 70 and the 68, which is 2 points, which on 100 shares would be $200 minus the investment of 47. But even then, it's kind of skewy. It's not really perfect. It should be 153 if the math is right. But anyway, I don't think I'm going to trade it because I'm going to be. I guess I don't want to sit and watch a $40 trade all day. That's the bottom line. I don't want to watch a $40 trade all day, but I wanted to walk through the thinking and share some pieces of information of how you can look at stuff. Once again, not financial advice, nothing like that. I hope it works out for the guys, right? I hope it works out. I'll follow it. I will definitely track and see what happens tomorrow.